Welcome! This is Brooke with the Karlie and Brooke channel, and today we're going to talk about the 5 signs that you're a novice writer. Number 1, avoid adverbs. Silently, nicely, lightly, safely. They're a crutch to tell instead of show, and you don't need them. Remove them, cut them out. It'll make your writing stronger. 2, don't open your book with your character sitting on a rock or sitting on their bed, reflecting back on their lives or thinking about things. Start your book with an actionable scene that draws your reader in. 3, metaphors that are stacked or don't belong. Make sure that you use metaphors carefully and make sure that they have a purpose. They should convey the mood of your scene or the mood of your character, and if it does neither of those two things, it's probably better you don't have it. 4, character motivation. If your character doesn't have a reason for doing what they're doing, or if everything is happening to them instead of them acting, your reader is going to lose interest, and it's a clear sign that you don't understand story structure. If you struggle with this or you're not quite sure what I'm talking about, I highly recommend reading Story Genius by Lisa Cron. It's a fabulous book on character motivation. And my final item are dialogue tags. Demanded, repeated, anything like that. If you don't have a very solid reason for it, just cut it out. A lot of times you can replace it with said, and said is just fine to use. You don't need to get creative with your dialogue tags, it's not necessary. Replace them with action beats. So instead of, "Give me that plate now," she demanded angrily, replace it with, "She clutched that fork so tight that her knuckles turned white. Give me that plate now." You can visualize everything that's happening. You didn't need a dialogue tag. You didn't need an adverb. If you don't want to come across as a novice writer, avoid these 5 things and you'll be in a good place. If this is helpful to you, like, share, subscribe, and comment. We love to hear from you, and I hope to catch you on our next video. Thanks for watching.